Hey everyone, Jay here from BX Journeys, about to give you a cabin tour on board Scarlet Lady Virgin Voyages cabin 9138A. A means port side. If you have a Z at the end of that, that means starboard side. That means the right hand side of the ship. So let me give you a tour, and in order to open the door, you're gonna put your key, this bracelet, you put it right here, turns green, your door is open. Here we go, guys. She's a beautiful cabin. So sorry for the darkness here, guys. There doesn't seem to be a light here just behind me. But this is your evacuation plan right here. My cabin's right here. I'm smack in the middle of the ship. Love it. The elevators are right there. So I'm in a good spot. I let them choose my cabin, and it was cheaper that way, and I like what they gave me. So sometimes it's a hit or miss, guys, but yeah, it worked out for me. Good, good, good. Also, guys, to turn on the light switch is here inside the closet. So I don't know, they should have put it like over here or something, but they put it in the closet. So just to let you know that on Scarlet Lady, the light switches are inside the closet. The bottom of that is your do not disturb or clean my room signs. Okay. These are curtains that they put here to cover up your closet. And here's my bag, my book bag. They have hangers if you need more. There's plenty of storage space up here on the top. Also, guys, it has a closet next to it. They provide you with 2 life vests. They also, your towels are here. There's also a safe right here, guys. The safe looks like it holds a pretty nice size laptop, FYI. Blow dryer, an extra space, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 storages, drawer bins, and then at the bottom, some space for your shoes if you want. Now, here comes to the desk area. They provide you with natural water every single day. This is mine. This is my hand sanitizer, guys. I brought that along because you never know. This is a mushroom light, I call it. You just press the button on the top and it turns your desk light on. And in order to get your tablet working, guys, you have to watch the video before to make anything to work, okay? FYI. Underneath that, again, this is the desk. It's not very big, guys, but you know, it's functional. Underneath is an ottoman and some more space underneath here to store anything else you want. Underneath is a small fridge. It's very small. And yeah, you can put whatever you want, your drinks, whatever. Keep everything nice and cold. Now, this here's the bed section, guys. Now this bed section can be converted to a couch. I'm gonna tell my room steward to please leave it in bed mode. I don't need it to be turned into a couch every single day. That's too tedious for them, and it's too much hard work, and I might want to come to the cabin and take a nap, and I have to call them to turn it into a bed. So I'm just going to tell them for the whole voyage to just leave it in bed mode, because you see there's some extra space here where that tray is at. This whole thing becomes a couch, but it's just too much to be converting all the time. Then here's a night light. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3 across the bed. Now, the USB and chargers is to the left. Well, depending on where you're sitting. If you're sitting facing behind me, it'll be to your left, as well. You will find 2 USB and 1 regular outlet for US. There's a nice little chair there. Got my little camera equipment bag there, and a full-size mirror. Light switches are right here, as you can see. And this here, guys, is not, I thought it was a towel. It's actually a blanket with glitter on it. Okay, guys, I love it already. And this here is just a little area where you can put your food, like you can order food, they deliver your food, and then you can just eat there if you want. I haven't done the bed test. I haven't done a bed test in a while. Last time I did bed test was with Lewis. Lewis and I always love doing bed tests together, but fortunately he's not here. No, that doesn't come with it. That's my own little Bose radio. And on your right side, there's also light switches, 2 USB, and a plug there. Regular US plug. Right here is a 42-inch Samsung television. And then here are the controls to close the blinds. These curtains close by themselves or by remote control using the tablet or pressing these buttons over here. It's a beautiful cabin. I was going to upgrade for the XL, but I don't need that. That's just too much. You know, the bathroom's a little different on the XLs, but this is actually this is doable for me. I'm good. All that's missing there's Lou Bear. I gotta take him out the bag and put him there. Okay, guys. This is the balcony. Well, they call it a sea terrace here on board Virgin Voyages. It's not a balcony. It's called a sea terrace. You just slide it open. A lot of boats out here, guys. The weather here is beautiful. But yeah, the terrace is a very, very nice size. I like it. Very nice size cabin. This is pretty big. The famous hammock. I'm going to be using that soon. And this is the view from my cabin. From my sea terrace cabin. The weather's just incredible here. So yeah, guys, that's tour of cabin 9138A on board Scarlet Lady, Virgin Voyages. All right, guys, can't wait to explore.